this is Harry again. Thought I'd make another movie about the word pilot. Pilot. I see that for some of the pilots talking, they got this one wrong in the test. Pilot. Now, it relies on you understanding syllables. A pilot is 2 syllables. Pilot. Pilot. Now the pi ends in an I sound. Now you could say pilot, pilot. Well, we know that the 2 sounds of I are I. And the first sound is I and the second sound is I. Now there's a rule of syllables that says, and a rule of vowels, that if the last letter of a syllable is a vowel, it usually says its name or its second sound. So with the P-I of pilot, it's the I sound, not the I sound. It's the second sound. So there you go. That's easy. So how do we spell pilot? It's P-I-L-O-T. The O is the first sound of O, which is O. Remember, there are four sounds of O. Number 1, short sound. O, the name and the long sound. And the third sound is oo, and oh, oo, ah. And the last sound of pilot is t. Pilot. Thank you. And that'll be the end tonight.